Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the first half of the month of January 2024. The 2nd of January 2024, General Assembly. In a General Assembly held on the first working day of the calendar year after the invocation, the power of a healthy mind was unleashed by practicing simple breathing techniques. In her address, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, introduced the concept of human excellence, urged the students to imbibe a growth mindset, uphold the crossing legacy of the past, and continue practicing traditional moral and human values in words and deeds both inside and outside the institution. The 2nd to the 5th of January 2024, Fine Arts Competitions. Artistic Utsav, a celebration of fine arts, witnessed a seasoned mix of imagination, creativity, and performance. Budding artists showcased their talents, competed with their peers, and enthralled the audience in 4-day-long celebrations of on-stage and off-stage competitions with active student participation. The 6th of January 2024, Intercollegiate Competitions. In the intercollegiate competitions held at Nanjal Catholic College of Arts and Science, 32 of our student volunteers represented our college, participated, won several competitions, and received the Best College Award. The 8th of January 2024, Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet. Students watched the live broadcast of the Tamil Nadu Global Investors Meet 2024 in compliance with a directive from the government. The 9th of January 2024, Campus Recruitment Drive. The Placement and Career Guidance Cell of our college, in collaboration with Vertical Solutions, a subsidiary of Foxconn Chennai, conducted an on-campus recruitment drive in which 185 students participated, of whom 130 received their offer letters. In another campus recruitment drive conducted by Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, 29 students were selected for the sales marketing position and 55 students qualified for the technical round of the telecalling job position. The 10th of January 2024, International Conference on Contemporary Tamil Literature and Scientific Thoughts. An international conference on Samakala Tamil Ilakyangalum Ariviyal Sindhanaigalum was organized by the Department of Tamil SF. Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, offered her felicitations at the inauguration of the conference. In separate sessions, the invited lectures of Dr. Francis Xavier, visiting professor of Joy University, Vadakkankulam, Dr. Justin Selvaraj, head of the Department of Fine Arts and Aesthetics at Madurai Kamaraj University, and others were followed by paper presentation sessions, the release of proceedings, and a department newsletter. 11th January 2024 turned out to be a defining moment in the history of the college as a long-awaited naval unit of NCC was inaugurated by Commander S. Ganesh Pillai, the commanding officer of Naval Unit NCC Thoothukudi. Dr. Sister Mary Gilder, the secretary of the college, and Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, offered their felicitations. The event was organized by Dr. Sunita, the caretaker of the Naval Unit of NCC. The 13th of January 2024, Pongal celebration. Pongal festivities ushered in the campus as teachers and students dressed in traditional attire lit the fire to the delight of all. Traditional flavor was ripe in the air in the cultural performances and in the traditional games of Vadam Ilithil, roughly translated as tug of war, and Uri Adithil, translated as smash the pot, and energetically participated in a bullock ride within the campus. Honesty Emporium. The Crossian Honesty Emporium began its sales selling attractive range of stationery items imaginable, aimed at inculcating honest transaction without seller's presence. Every customer pays for the purchase based on the principles of fair and honest dealing. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.